Hello everyone, Paul here. Today I'm going to go over, what I'm going to start to do is I'm going to start looking at some stocks. Pretty much like what I did with my pick 3 stuff is I'm just going to look at certain stocks, and I'm going to look at the charts with the stocks, and I'm going to make my prediction on where I think it's going to go and go from there. And I'm making these so I can actually because I'm not doing specifically doing for calls and puts and things like that, but I want to see if my predictions are right. So I make my calls, make these videos to see if, what I'm thinking is, if I'm right on my predictions. So later I could see if I was right or wrong, or what I'm analyzing works or not. I might not actually put in an option per probably a couple days, but let's just go ahead and look. Let's look at some stocks real quick and see where it's going. Let's start with AMC. Now, I'm basing this off of the video that I posted yesterday, and how I say, I'm not going to go into the specific, but you have your EMAs and your RSI and judging it by where the RSI is, things like that. That's kind of how I'm going by. And I'm not going to dive real deep into the chart. I'm just going to see where it's headed, where it looks like it's headed. If it's headed up or down. AMC could be going, let's do it real quick. I'm on the day right now for AMC, so let's just check the... Well, it's not. The stock market's not open right now, but let's just see where it was going before the stock market said it's going. It went down. It started going down by the minute, and the 5 minute started going down. So I always look at everything at the day, at least in perspective. So we could look at the RSI and we could see it's kind of in the middle. And like I've said before, when the RSI is above 50, it usually means it's going up. When it's below 50, it usually means it's going to go down. So it's in between, so it really could go either way. But since we see that it ended by going down, I'm thinking that AMC is going to start to go down. At least for today, it's going to go down. And we can already look at that by looking at the market already. And let's see, where's it at? The market in general. And we can look at Bitcoin, see if Bitcoin's down. Stock market's not open yet, but we can see that Bitcoin and all the other cryptos are down right now. So what's that telling me right now for today is since Bitcoin's down, AMC is probably be going down as well. So that's my prediction on AMC. If you wanted to do a put on this, I would suggest doing a put with the strike price around $15, probably around $15. And I'd put it out for a week. That's kind of my prediction. So, okay, so let's look at SPY, which is the main one. Now, SPY, like we said, the market with Bitcoin and crypto right now, it's going down. So this is a good indicator for me that it's going to go down. I think SPY is going to try to go up, but it's going to go down. The market's down anyway. Bitcoin's down. Everything's down. So I would put in, because we see right here the RSI, it's above 50, but it's all the way at the top. So usually when the RSI is all the way at the top, find another moment like that. We don't see another moment for a very long time. The only one close was this moment right here on March 29th. And what happened when the RSI got way up there? It started going down. So if I if I were to do anything today, I would have done a option. And I have to see where it goes, but I predict that SPY is going to go down. I would put in a put with the strike price of around 410. Around 410. So let's look at a couple other stocks. Let's look at Apple. Let's look at Apple. Apple's the same thing. We see now with our EMAs, we see the cross. So it's now I judge everything on the day. So it's crossing up, so we see that uptrend, but the RSI is all the way at the top. So that basically is telling me it's going to go down because it's way at the top, and it has to go down. The market's down anyway, so I think Apple's going to go down too. I would put a put right around 161, and all my options I would do out for a week. So anyway, I think Apple's going to go down. It's going to start to go down. It may try to go up today, but then the RSI is all at the top here. It's going to start going down. Let's look at another one. Let's look at let's do Microsoft. Yeah, this is pretty much the same thing as Apple. It's all the way at the top. It's already looking like it's starting to go down. Even though you have the EMAs crossing up, it may start to go up a little bit. It may start to go up because it crossed, but it's going to go down, I predict. So I would do a put for around 278 a put for the strike price. Let's look at another one. Pretty much all the answers today are going to be it's going to go down. But I want to see if I can find anything that might be going up. Let's look at Netflix. Netflix might be a wild card here. Netflix. Yep, same thing. See, it crossed. It went up, but the RSI is all at the top, so it's going to be going down. It's either going to be going down today or tomorrow, my prediction. So I would put in a put with the strike price around 225, somewhere around there. Let's look at another stock. Everything's going to go down today. That's my prediction. Let's see. Let's think of another stock. Amazon. I haven't done Amazon. Amazon. Let's check Amazon. Same thing. It's crossed. It's already gone up a little bit, and it's definitely going to be going down. So if we look at Amazon, we see that the RSI is above it. So let's just check the last time that it was in that close. The RSI was right here. So pretty close. The RSI is mirroring this moment right here. And what happened when it got this close to the top? It started going down. Where's the chart? Let me get the chart. Okay, so this is the last time Amazon was up. What happened? It started going down. So what I would do, based on my judgment call here, I would do a put. I would do a put for around the price of $135 for Amazon. And most of these stocks I would do out for a week, at least. Let's look at what other ones can we do. Bank of America. It's Bank of America. There's another one. Now here's one that's For Bank of America, I actually think this one's gonna go up because the RSI here, it's not all the way at the top. It is in 50. It's above and it's not below 50, so it still has some momentum. It still has some momentum of going up, I believe. So I would put in a call for let's see, anything down here in a $33 range. Anyway, that's those are my calls today on the stock market. So I'm gonna check back tomorrow and see if I was right on any of my predictions. If you like my videos, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in future videos.